Welcome to another episode of Edible Trails Garden. Today, I'm going to help you get a little bit closer to understanding what is permaculture and how you can use it to build a better garden. In my forest garden, I am growing more than just food. I am growing abundance, community, and a better connection to earth. You may have heard the term permaculture, but what does it actually mean? The word permaculture comes from permanent agriculture, but it's more than just gardening. It's a design system based off of nature's patterns to create a sustainable, self-sufficient ecosystem. There are 12 core principles of permaculture that help guide us like a compass through our gardening decision. Let's take a quick look. Slow down so that you can learn from nature. Use what's abundant, like sun and rain. Your garden should be giving back to you, like food, joy, or shade. Let nature teach you. Work with the earth, not against it. Turn scraps into soil and problems into solutions. Look at the big picture. Plants and people, we work together. Tiny changes make a big difference over time. Diversity means resilience. Nature thrives in the in-between. Change isn't a threat, it's a tool. These principles aren't rules. They are simply a lens that you can look through to design a more resilient, beautiful, and low-maintenance space, whether you're growing food, flowers, or even planning your homestead. Over the next few weeks, I will be diving into each one of the 12 principles a little bit deeper, one by one, and showing you exactly how to apply them to your garden. From water-saving hacks, companion planting strategies, you don't want to miss this. So hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're excited to learn, and drop a comment with the questions that you want me to answer along the way. Thank you for watching Edible Trails Garden. Let's grow.